Gonna do? What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna do a jigsaw.
What sort of jigsaw is it? What is it a jigsaw of? What's the picture that we're gonna try and make? Echo. Nula? Can you answer me? What jigsaw puzzle is it, Nula Bula? What is it a picture of, Echo, that we're playing? Is it a picture of a house? No, it's not, and you know it. Is it a
Minions.
Minions, yeah. We're going to do it up the table or on that tray. Where do you want to do it? Down here on the tray or up the table? Down there. Get a nice drink of water.
Yeah. No juice.
Is it juice? You've got juice? No, you haven't. It's water. You don't drink juice. You only drink water. Right, you two. Missy me. Good girl. So we're going to do Minions puzzle. I think it's going to be tricky.
No, it isn't tricky.
Do you think it's going to be tricky?
No, it isn't.
It's not tricky. Oh, let's get all the pieces out. Right, first thing with a jigsaw puzzle is though, you've got to turn all the pieces. You've got to turn all the pieces the right way round, look. And then you find your corners.
This is the corner. This is the corner, Mum.
You found a corner. No, you haven't.
Inside.
Where's a corner piece?
I'm gonna find it. No. Is this the corner?
No.
Is this the corner?
I don't know because you're flipping everything around. So I cannot see. Where's a corner?
I need some glasses.
There's a corner. Here's a corner. No, it's not. Mummy, you don't know what you're doing. God, it's so cold, isn't it? That's a corner. There you go. That's a corner that... There you go. So that goes here. To put that in that actual corner. Yeah, Gru. So you put Gru together because he's easy, because he can just be put together. So if you found Gru, look. There. Come on, jump to me. So we've got that bit. Oh, good job, Echo. You found a Gru piece. That goes like, there we go. Can you find any other bits that have got anything to do with Gru on them? Has that got a bit of Gru on it? Let's have a look. Where? Show me. It has. It's got a bit of his scarf, hasn't it? Like that there. Good job, X. Good job. Not a good job by you, Nula. You're just a distraction.
You mean that?